Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am joining in the hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesdays, hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Lilo's Craft. These are the embellishments that I pre-made ahead of time for some flat happy mail that I will be sending out. The first embellishments that I made are these little snowman. I will show you the Cricut cartridges that I used to make these. I also cut out these December words in pink and then in some gold foiling. I absolutely love this font. I cut out these words, Frosty Kisses. This one I left plain. I used my sewing machine. This one I used stickles. This one I used actually this stuff right here, glistening snow writer, to make the top on the top of the letters. I also cut out these BRRRRs. These are so fun. I made one really big, a couple of different sizes in these. I used the Winter Wonderland Cricut cartridge. This is the snowman that I used. And I used the Frosty Kisses. I used the BRRRR, those items right here. For the December, I used the Winter Wonderland, which was right here. And that's it, guys. Those are my embellishments for the hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day.